Philippine mobile number yet, you can write your relative's Philippine mobile number as your contact details. And please, write down your seat number anywhere in your health declaration form. For the land-based OFWs, write letter L as in Lima at the upper right-hand corner. Write letter S as in Shell vessel name. And for the non-OFWs, tourist, diplomatic students, write letter N as in November at the upper right-hand corner of the yellow form. Again, for the non-OFWs, tourist, diplomatic students, and returning residents, write letter N as in November at the upper right-hand corner of the yellow form. The Bureau of Quarantine officer will go around to check your temperature and collect your health declaration form. Kindly remove your face shields, eyeglasses, caps for a while for checking of temperature only. Pakitanggal lamang ang inyong mga face shields, salamin, sombrero para po sa checking of temperature. Now I will explain to you the program and protocols of the Philippine government for this pandemic. The Philippine government, through the creation of Interagency Task Force for Emerging Infectious Diseases or IATF, mandates that all returning overseas Filipino and foreign national coming to the Philippines must undergo a mandatory quarantine period. Then, on the 6th day of your quarantine period, your swab test will be conducted to your respective quarantine facility or hotel. Then you need to stay until the result is released. At the quarantine facility, strict IATF protocols are imposed to prevent you from going out of your room unless if it is an emergency. There will be Philippine Coast Guard officer who will guide and ensure that the policies are strictly enforced. If you violated the quarantine protocols while at the facility, chances are you will need to repeat another mandatory RT-PCR test, and your quarantine period will be repeated as it is from day 1. So we are asking for your full cooperation during your quarantine period. For the land-based OFWs and sea-based OFWs without local money agency, the Philippine government through OWA will shoulder your expenses. Swab test, quarantine facility accommodation, meals, transportation expenses until you reach your respective residence.
Yung checking ng temperature.
Kindly fill out the OWA form and submit it to the OWA help desk after the immigration exit for your quarantine facility assignment. And for the sea-based OFWs with local money agency, your local money agency will shoulder your expenses. Kindly proceed to the Marina Health Desk after the immigration exit for your quarantine facility assignment. And for the non-OFWs, the Philippine Airlines shall provide you with the information and instruction after this briefing. Please make sure to accomplish your affidavit of undertaken completely. The affidavit will be given to the Philippine Coast Guard personnel before you exit the terminal. And for the information of all driving vehicles are not allowed to transport you to the quarantine facility or hotel. We have designated buses for the OFWs, metered taxi for the non-OFWs. So if you have relatives or friends waiting at the terminal exit, kindly tell them that they can escort you to any quarantine facility. If you have more questions, please feel free to approach any Coast Guard personnel assisting at the arrival area. Once again, welcome home mga kabayan. We heal as one, we live as one. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am CSO Laksamana, a representative of Philippine Airlines. In compliance with Philippine government regulations, all arriving passengers from international flights are required to undergo an RT-PCR test on their 6th day of quarantine. While you wait for your scheduled test and release of results, you must stay at the
Wala na po
hotel
itong house number. Ito na po yung
accredited
kompletong
by our
address niya.
tourism and health agencies. Please note that day 1 starts on your arrival date.
Magkasama po kayo?
For non-OFWs, after disembarkation, please proceed to gate number 3. At the holding area, each one of you will proceed to the hotel confirmation booth. You will need to present proof of your hotel booking.
House number? No. Number no.
If you do not have a pre-book hotel, you must choose a hotel from the list of Bureau of Quarantine accredited hotels at your expense. Accomplish the affidavit of undertaking and ensure to have it validated by the hotel coordinator. You shall also make the transportation arrangement to your hotel at this desk. Accredited taxis are also available. After, proceed to the verification booth. Present the bio page of your passport together with the QR code that was sent to your email after completing the PALS ECIF. If you have not registered yet, or a help desk are available upon entrance at gate number 3. After verification of the QR code, we ask you to prepare for the payment of your RT-PCR test, which costs 4,000 pesos.
Hindi tayo.
After payment, you will receive a sticker. Please place the sticker on the back of your passport. After immigration, claim all your baggage and clear with customs check. Before you exit the terminal, submit the affidavit of undertaking, indicating the hotel you will be staying in and that you will strictly follow all mandatory quarantine protocols set by the Philippine government. For non-OFWs, you will receive an email on the 3rd day of your quarantine asking you to confirm your hotel and room number through an online form. Please answer the online form no later than day 4. Wait for day 6 to undergo your test. Present your passport, QR code, and payment receipt to the personnel who will administer your test. If you develop or experience symptoms of COVID-19 at any time between day 1 and your scheduled test day, please inform your hotel so a head of health officer can assess you for further management and immediate testing as necessary. For everyone, any violation of quarantine protocols can be used against you and is punishable by law. If you test positive, the Bureau of Quarantine will endorse you to a facility or hospital for further medical management. If you test negative, you can register to the BOQ certificate website to obtain your BOQ medical quarantine certificate. You can present the result to the quarantine personnel of the hotel for clearance. You can ask your relatives to pick you up and take you home to complete your 14-day mandatory quarantine or self-isolation under the monitoring of your barangay health emergency response teams. If you have any concerns, our ground staff will be happy to assist you. With PAL's new normal same heart, we are one with the government in facing the challenges brought about by the pandemic. With your cooperation and help, we fight as one against this virus, and together we are as one. Welcome to Manila and mabuhay.
Yan kami. Thank you, God. And sasali ko to sa vlog ko. Hindi ko nakakami. Ang tahimik.
Hindi mo pala magsasabi tayo ng uwi, no?
Yeah. Exit namin.
Hindi, no? Mata ko incident.
Hi guys, nakarating na kami. Te. Hello.
We're back.
Ano mga kababayan sa likod? OFW. Dito yung seaman. Kabila. Land base. Dito i-briefing sila dito, yung mga seaman. Doon tayo, land base. Doon tayo i-briefing, no? Ay. Grabe, oh, tingnan mo. Bakante, walang tao. Ha? Oo, talagang grabe yung impact no? Oo, hindi mo ito lang pala yung makakapag naka ano sila lahat. Anong tawag niyan sa sinusuot nila? PP suit na, may tag sila dyan. PPPE ba yun? Ano, immigration. Pila na kami. Yellow lane, isa lang? Dalawa. Nagawa mo na, te. Napigat? Seafood doon. Ayan. Para sa OWA. Seafood. Pila ka na, kuya? Inaantay nga kasama ko. Naka ano baon. Yan, dami pagka. Kumaya, meron siya pagkain. Pagkain. Kasi dito yung kayo dito. After namin ginawa yung bagahe, diretso sa bus. Mayroong pagkain. Ayun kay ate yung pagkain. Dito na kami sa bus. Ano? Hindi pwede tabi sa bus. Merong binigay na ganito. Tapos mapunta na sa bus kung saan na yung bus. Nakaiba. Iba talaga.
11, 12, 13. Aba, 13.
Namin from OWA. Thank you. Sa kami sa quarantine hotel. Hindi ko alam kung saan to. Pero sabi, Alabang Bellevue. Lalabas na yung mga bagahe. Ayun na.
Hi. Ay, pasuot po nung ano niyo, patient niyo, bago po kayo pumunta.
Tugasin namin. Ay, grabe, nantok ako. Pinaulan naambon. Ang tagal namin dito sa bus nag-antay. Bellevue, Alabang daw. Ito yung, ayun yung luggage ko. Yun. Yun. Luggage ko, ayun. Salamat sa mga taong to. Grabe yung pinagdadaanan talaga. See you after 7 days siguro, no? 5 days mag-swab test ka. Then 2 days may result, di ba? See you in 7 days. Okay, 1 week pa lang yun, Bye. Bye-bye na. Nandito na kami sa hotel. Bellevue Hotel sa Alabang, Muntinlupa. Ah? Bellevue Hagdanan ba tayo? 6th floor? Nandito tayo. This way to. Tama ba? Ba't walang nag-guide sa... Ha? Level 6 daw eh. E di magaganito. Ground floor. Ay. Ay. Sige na. Pindutin mo na tayo. Pasok na tayo. May nakalimutan siya. Level 6 te. Ay. Parehas kami ni ate ng room. Magkalapit lang.
Ito talaga? Ayan.
Grabe. Ang bigat na. Ang sakit din ng paa ko. Grabe sa ng paa ko.
6th floor.
6th floor. Grabe yung pinagdaanan natin ha. Hi guys. 6th floor. 9 ano ba? 925. Parehas tayo, di ba tayo?
Diyan pababa, diyan pababa.
Saan na?
6 ano ka? 27?
626. 625 ka, di ba?
626. Magkatabi.
Ay, magkatabi nga tayo. So, ito na yan. Te.
Paano ba gamitin to?
Ano mo lang. Tapat mo lang yung card dyan. Tapat mo. Natapat mo na ba? Yan. Ayun na, nag-open na. Open na.
Tara, duwi.
Ulitin mo. Sige, open. Yun. Bye, te. See you. Good night.
Holiday.
Yeah. Bye. Ako naman. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Bakit? Nawala. Yeah. Right. Nandito na ako. Thank you, God. Grabe, nakakapagod. So, ito yung hotel. For 7 days. Alright. Ay, salamat. May mainit dito. Gusto ko na magkape. Buti na lang bumili ako ng ano. Ay, guys. Babe, nandito na ako. Success, nakarating din. Si ate na sa kabila. So, ayan ang nangyari ngayon sa aming travel. Worth it naman yung pagod. Marami lang talagang pagbabago. Kasi nagkaroon nga ng pandemic, di ba? So, pag i-edit ko na lang to or hindi ko na siya anuhin masyado, no? Para makita nyo din yung galawan kaysa na i-crop ko na i-crop para makita nyo kung ano yung mga view. Hindi kayo masyado maligaw kung mapanood nyo yung video. So, yun guys. And, yo, abangan nyo yung day 1, day 2 ko. Hanggang 1 week kami dito eh. No? Sige, aligo na muna ako. Kakain na magutom na. Next day 1 ko ngayon dito sa quarantine hotel. So, time check is 7:12. So, magkakape na ako. May dala akong sariling kape. And, i-check ko sa labas kung ano meron.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.